Welcome to FRELOTEX Technologies, where we are dedicated to helping people acquire practical digital skills that lead to meaningful careers, successful businesses, self-reliance, and financial independence. Have you ever wondered how your favorite mobile apps are created? From banking apps and food delivery services to social media platforms and ride-hailing applications, they all begin with one essential skill: mobile app development. Mobile app development is the process of designing, building, testing, and maintaining applications for smartphones and tablets. As billions of people use mobile devices every day, businesses increasingly rely on mobile apps to connect with customers, provide services, and grow their brands. One of the biggest benefits of mobile app development is convenience. Mobile apps allow people to access products, services, and information anytime and anywhere using their smartphones. Another important benefit is business growth. Companies use mobile apps to improve customer engagement, increase sales, process payments, send notifications, and provide personalized experiences. A well-designed app can help a business reach more customers and build stronger relationships with them. Mobile app development also encourages innovation. Developers create solutions for healthcare, education, finance, agriculture, transportation, entertainment, and many other industries. Every new app has the potential to solve real-world problems and improve people's lives. Perhaps the greatest advantage is the growing demand for skilled mobile app developers. Organizations around the world are searching for professionals who can build high-quality Android and iOS applications. This makes mobile app development one of the most rewarding careers in the technology industry. At FRELOTEX Technologies, we provide practical mobile app development training that equips learners with the knowledge and hands-on experience needed to build modern mobile applications. Our training focuses on real-world projects, user-friendly design, coding best practices, testing, and app deployment, so that you graduate with practical skills that employers and clients value. Our mission is to help you become self-reliant. The skills you gain at FRELOTEX Technologies can help you secure employment as a mobile app developer, work remotely for companies anywhere in the world, build applications for clients as a freelancer, publish your own apps, or establish your own software development company. These employable and entrepreneurial skills can create multiple streams of income and help you achieve long-term financial independence. The mobile technology industry continues to expand every year, creating exciting opportunities for people with the right skills. By learning mobile app development today, you're preparing yourself for a future filled with innovation, creativity, and success. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of building amazing mobile applications. To learn more about our practical digital skills training and discover how FRELOTEX Technologies can help you become self-reliant through employable and entrepreneurial digital skills, visit frelotex.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, at FRELOTEX Technologies, we don't just teach mobile app development. We empower people with practical skills that create careers, build businesses, generate income, and transform lives through technology.